So one of the neat things we've done today is try to experiment with how we can use a service like ChatGPT inside of the program. If you look here, you can see this text here coming from a mobile phone from a server. Well, if we hit the ChatGPT button, we can submit it through the ChatGPT and have them clean it up and make it sound much more professional. Another thing that we're able to do with the ChatGPT is remove something that might be offensive. Look at this offensive text here. It's really easy to get emotional when you're out in the field where you might say something that doesn't sound good the next day. Well, here you can hit the ChatGPT button and it will completely clean up the offensive text and make it sound more professional. Well, hit us up for more details. This is one area we've integrated it, but actually we're going to integrate it throughout the program. Anywhere the client might see text, we're going to be giving you an option to clean it up